Puppy's been itching and scratching a little bit more than normal, so I've been looking for something for his skin and coat, and I found these Salmon Omega 3 chews. So we're going to open them up. They come wrapped in this plastic, which is nice. There's 120 of them in here. We'll see if he's going to enjoy these or not. If we take a look, we can see that for this little guy, he's supposed to have up to 2 chews. So we'll cut the security stuff off the top here. Those are pretty big chews for being 120 of them in there. So if we can get him to sit. Hey, sit. Sit. Sit all the way. We're on video. There he goes. Looks like he likes them. They're made with natural ingredients. It's an American brand. And since he can have 2 today, we'll put another one in there. Looks like that'll fit. He'll fit 2 of them in there. All right, so we want to thank them for sending us these to check out. We'll know in a bit how it's doing for his coat. Hope this helps.